the secret communication trick to sound confident and persuasive. Here's the reality. Even the smartest ideas can fall flat if you do not communicate them effectively. It only takes a few seconds to sound more confident and persuasive at work. You might have brilliant insights, but if you hesitate, mumble, or rush, people may not take notice to what you are saying. The trick is called strategic pausing. Number one, pause before speaking after someone asks a question or before you make a point. Number two, speak clearly and at a steady pace, emphasizing key words. Number three, use short, intentional pauses between sentences to give your words impact. Why it works. Pausing signals confidence, gives you time to choose words carefully, and makes your audience focus on what you are saying. People perceive you as more authoritative without you having to speak louder or faster. Example, in a meeting, instead of jumping in immediately, take a 2-second pause. Then deliver your point calmly. I recommend we try X because it improves Y. That small pause makes you seem confident, thoughtful, and persuasive. You can even nod slightly or make eye contact. It reinforces your presence. If this tip helped, our next career bite reveals a tiny email hack that makes messages instantly more compelling and clearer. Use this every day.